himself. Yeah, he was able to convince his friends and people that it's my postpartum. There's also one. He's convinced that an ex-girlfriend made him kulam. Like, there's all of a sudden there was this bowl of salt with garlic in it, and me and my friends and helpers before, like, ano to? Like, bakit may ganyan? Ba't may salt? Bakit may bowl of salt with garlic? And then sinabi ng isang katulong, ay, pinalagay dyan kasi daw baka may nang kulam. So, parang pang-antay kulam. So, blame it on the kulam. Vexed. Witchcraft. Nandito yun. Baka explain. May di ba? Hindi ka po? Huh? So, anyway, paka-explain kung ano yan sa mga may alam ng mga white magic, black magic, whatever.